A new study has found teenagers who binge drink are more likely to develop alcoholism or drug dependency later in life. As Ursula Hager reports, binge drinking during adolescence can slow the brain from reaching maturity.
Young binge drinkers cutting loose. Emergency departments are bearing the brunt.
Just this week, we have finished today. Today's Friday. We have just finished our last case from the weekend prior. And now we've got to warm up again for the next weekend.
Brisbane's biggest hospital reports about 900 cases of trauma from interpersonal violence every year.
75% of those assault cases we see, the violence, interpersonal violence cases, 75% is due to alcohol.
And it's not just the immediate effects. The problems can be lifelong. A new study has shown binge drinking before the age of 25 can have a permanent effect on the part of the brain that controls habits.
It can increase your susceptibility of becoming dependent on alcohol or have a greater chance of becoming an alcoholic later in life.
It can increase the likelihood of problems like nicotine addiction and slow the brain's emotional development.
There's a particular protein in that part of the brain is no longer turned off. So if you drink, it basically stays on when it would normally turn off in adulthood.
Australia has a much higher alcohol dependency rate than other countries, twice as high as the US. Researchers say this can now be partly attributed to our lower legal drinking age. Doctors say the issue needs to be revisited.
We should certainly think about raising the drinking age. We know that in other jurisdictions where the drinking age is older, they have less problems with persistent alcohol dependency than we do.
Ursula Hager, 10 News.